I'm starting with a set of large wall arts for the back wall and a neutral rug that perfectly fits the entire length of the couch. I've curated a set of cushions in the color scheme similar to the couch and the rug. It's time to make the corners of the couch cozy. I like to put the solid colors at the back and the prints in the front. I prefer to keep the center of the couch light by adding only a small cushion. A throw is the most essential item for an L-shaped sofa. Adding tall plants in the corner is just my favorite. For the coffee table, I am upcycling this chopping board using peel and stick marble contact paper. And finally, this is how the whole setup looks. I really hope you like this whole styling video. Until next time, bye!